Hi, my name's Simon, and today I'm going to be answering how do I wash and operate my heated hoodie, jacket or base layer. Can I wash my Milwaukee heated workwear? The answer is yes, and it's very simple. All you have to do is unplug the battery and adapter, tuck the wire back in the pocket, zip it up, and then put your garment in a wash between 30 and 40 degrees, but don't use bleach. So how do I dry my heated workwear, and can it go in the tumble dryer? If you don't want to wait for it to air dry, just put it in the tumble dryer at a low heat. Don't dry clean it and never iron your heated clothing. So I've got my freshly washed and dried heated jacket on, and it's time to add some heat. I've got a fully charged 3 amp hour M12 battery, and the process is as simple as plug the battery into the adapter, press and hold the button until the LEDs come on, and select your desired temperature. Today isn't that cold, so I'm going to turn the jacket down a bit. There's 3 settings. I'm going with the lowest setting, and that will give me up to 8 hours of runtime. If the temperature was colder, I might decide to warm the pockets up as well. It's the same process. Press the other button until the LEDs come on and choose your desired temperature. Milwaukee offer a full range of heated workwear, including heated hoodies, heated jackets, and heated base layers. They're available in a range of different colours for men and women as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the link below to explore the full range of heated workwear.